Yo, what is up, guys? It is obby in Roblox. That was the easiest part. So, yeah. This obby, like my last obby that escaped the burger obby, you actually just got, oh gosh, you actually just got teleported instead of, done. I just started. She did too, and I'm way ahead of her. Wow. This is interesting. So, yeah. Lag. Dang it. Okay, good. Not lag. Go. Go. Go! Yeah. 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 What up? What up? What up? Okay. Are these stages ever gonna get harder? They're not getting harder. Safe. I love the obbies that safe. What? Okay, one sec, gotta go AFK. Skip through it. Nobody. Sorry about that.